A crimping tool is used to create dents in sheet metal. The dents allow you to join together two pieces of sheet metal. Crimping tools are commonly used to connect two pieces of ductwork together. A crimper has two parts, the jaws, and the handle. The jaws will put dents into the sheet metal. You will hold the crimper by the handle. Each jaw on the crimper has a different number of blades. For example, one jaw may have 3 blades and the other jaw may have 2 blades. When you are crimping, it is important that the jaw with more blades goes on the inside of the metal. If you place the jaw with more blades on the outside of the metal, the edge will not be crimped. To use crimpers, insert the edge of the sheet metal deep into the jaws of the crimpers. Make sure that the jaw with more blades is on the inside of the pipe. Squeeze the handles of the crimpers together. Loosen the handles. Move the jaws to the next section of the pipe. Continue this process until the entire edge of the pipe has been crimped.